What is amortization? It is important to understand what amortization is when you are buying a home for the first or 10th time. In fact, if you don't know what you are signing in those home loan documents, you should not be signing them. Even so, owning one is motionless out of reach for the average person. It's not a foreign language, it's just a language you need to learn to buy a home. The good news is that everything you need to know about the mortgage you are about to sign will be learned on the web. Amortization, interest and terms. Amortization is a factor in paying handfuls over time. For example, on a home loan, you will work with a lender who will pay the seller in full for your home. The funds are secured by the home and you have to repay them over time, as defined in the loan terms. It is the distribution of money in small, installment payments over time. When you buy a house, it will be on the schedule given along with the home loan documents. In a sophisticated style loan, the installment payment amount is dispersed, which is then applied to the policy and interest on the loan. In other types of payment systems, this is not the case. But, in things like a home loan, there is a split between how much will be paid on the loan policy and how much will be paid on the interest outstanding on the loan. In home loan, the amortization schedule will show you how much of the principal amount is going towards the monthly payment of the loan as well as the interest on the loan. Internal debt, this amount is disproportionately broken down. In the first years of the loan, the homeowner will repay a larger amount each month on the attractive side of the loan and a smaller principal. With the passage of time, it will become equal and then the principal will be transferred on payment of interest plus interest. This payment schedule defines how much it will be for each month. To determine how this will hold up over time, you'll want to use a mortgage calculator that can be found on the web. They are free to use and carry no obligation. However, by delving into the details of the loan you are aware of, such as interest rates, terms, and principal amount borrowed, you can see how much will the loan cost in comparison. This can help you compare interest rates, the number of monthly payments as well as the different terms of the loan you are applying for. Amortization is a very important factor in determining how much you will pay for your home.